I'm Glyn Williams, and I'm currently in Dubai on an RTT life training course. My profession, I'm ex-military. I finished last year. I did 38 years in the British Army. The reason I'm on this RTT was I decided that I wasn't going to carry on in my current profession, past working for the defense industry. So I decided that I wanted to go out and start helping people and passing on my experience. RTT was the mode I decided to follow. I decided to do coaching courses. I did some well-being courses, but I was looking for something different, something that was unique. And I happened upon a video with Marissa Peer talking about RTT. And I thought that would be the way to actually find people's blocks before actually going further on and helping them with coaching. I think RTT is very powerful in comparison to other methods because it gets to the root of the problem straight away, and therefore we can move forward. And it isn't a prolonged therapy. For example, you're not doing 6, 7, 8, 10 sessions, or you're not doing it for 10 years or 5 years. It's literally getting down and finding the problem straight away and then resetting these people so they can get on with their lives. Personally, for myself, RTT, going through one of the sessions with Marissa, basically helped me uncover why I was always very ambitious, very driven, and I didn't realize it was actually something to do with something that happened to me when I was a kid, and I was compensating for that as I became an adult. Yes, it helped me, but not RTT, but helped me to realize that so I could reflect on my performance. And RTT has been really, really powerful. If you're a coach, a therapist, or somebody who just wants to understand how people are functioning, you want to make a difference in this world, you won't go far wrong by signing up and actually getting yourself trained up to become an RTT therapist. You will definitely not regret it, and you're going to make a difference on this earth.